Hi friends, today I'm showing you a kid's camera. You can see that this comes really in a good box, and this is a pink in color. You can also get other color. The box is safe, and as I open the box, and you can see that the kid's camera and some accessories. So this is a micro SD card reader for your PC. Here is the strap to hold or put around your neck for the kids, and here is the charging cable or the data transfer cable. So this is the micro USB and the USB on the other side. So let me just take out the camera, and you can see this is a protective case of the camera. You have to take it out to charge the camera and use the memory card. This case is soft and it's a silicone based, and you can see that there is this camera have a LCD screen, good nice button, soft touch, but screen is not touch screen, so you have to use the button. So let me just on the camera, and here I on the camera, and you can see some icons here. You can browse these icons with these buttons. So is a camera, it's like video, then the playback. So let me just try the camera and the photo so that I can see like the quality of the photos. As this is the kids camera, you cannot expect a professional photo, but still the photo is a good quality because this is a 16 megapixel camera, and you can see it's a 1080p pixel, so it's a HD photos. That's it clicking. I can see like it is trying to zoom or focus, and we can change some settings inside to see like if I can get. And there are some frames. You can see there are certain frames like the kids frame, then when they are taking the photos, the frames will also come. There are multiple frames that you can choose from. So here is the micro SD card. This camera comes with a 32 GB SD card, and you can take this card out. So this is the micro USB cable. Let me show you the charging of this camera. Let me shut it off, says bye bye on it, and this is I'm just putting a micro SD cable in it and then put it for the charge. So let me put the other side in the USB. So it's charging, the red button is on, so that shows that the camera is in charging mode now. So this is a micro SD card reader, and you can see this is our USB thing. So I can just take out the micro SD card from here and just put it in this card reader, other way around. So put in this card reader, and then I can just directly put it in the PC. So I can download the photos and transfer the data from this card. This is a 32 GB card, so good space card for a kid's camera. So I will put it back in the camera just to put some trial. So there are some icons. So as I said, this is not a touch screen, you have to use the buttons. And let me just show you the games. So I have some inbuilt games like a snake, Tetris, and then the push box. So there are 3 games in this that you can play, or the kids can play in their free time. Just simple pretty 2D games. I'm just trying like this one, and you can use these arrows to play the games. The other functions that includes is the settings. You can see right now it is a 12 megapixel like it's set on, and then the format and all other stuff. You can use these settings to make your photos better. This is the video mode, and the video, like you can record the video, and it says you can record a video of 1080p, so a HD video. I am not doing much because to save the time on this video, but it's like hit and trial with all different type of settings and stuff that you can use to have a better one. This camera also have a feature that it have a dual camera, so when you click on the right corner button, and the camera will switch to the selfie. So you can see this here eyepiece on the top, that is actually a camera for the selfie pics. You can use this to take your selfie. So you can see like the software upgrade and stuff that you can use. This will be connected everywhere. So this is a nice camera, and the once this is charged, you can just put it in the case. You can hang this case with this lanyard and the string, so that the kids can easily take around their neck for that. So this actually is very good quality. You can see that strong, and then you can adjust the strap by this, the length, whatever the way you want, and then put the camera back after charging and putting and setting everything, so that it will be safe. Even with the kids drops, it will not break. The design is good. It's like a kitty design, like a little cat with a paw and everything. So this doesn't work like the buttons, but it's just for decoration purpose. This also came with a manual. The manual have different languages in it, so you can actually see. So I'm just focusing on the English language in this manual. It's pretty straightforward, no more like gimmicks and stuff. And you can see they describe all the parts. So on the top is the English. So here it is like SD card slot, speaker, microphone. Speaker is pretty genuine. It's a good one, good kids camera.